Yes, everybody, today we will do a lesson for exam for 6th grade. As you know, in internet you cannot reach to Mehmet Akif school site. That's why you must use my own site to reach the homework. So if you write in Google Zekeriya Kaya Math, you will find that the first site will be mine. After that, when you click here, the home page will open. From home page, you must choose the homework part. So when you click homework, you will see there 6, 7, 8. You must click to the 6th grade's homework folder. Then in that homework folder right now there is only one homework which is for Monday. For Monday you must do this homework. These are very simple questions. So I moved all the other ones into old homework folder. If you click here, the old homework folder will open. So in this homework, if you move down, you will see that for the homework 10:30, there is written second exam starts. So this is the first homework to study. This is the first homework to study. By starting from this homework, I will choose some questions. Also look at that, after each homework, we have GPX documents. These are answers of all the questions. Answers of the questions. For example, if I click here, about the homework 10:30, there will be some answers. Look at that. This is about making prime factorization, finding prime factorization of a number. So all the homework documents are in the site, also their answers in the site. Do you understand? Homeworks and their answers, everything is in the site. So all the questions which I may ask in exam, also their answers is in the site. I want you to study, I want you to try to solve those questions. If you have a problem, check your answers from here again, because the answers are here right now. These are the answers. Let's try to make it a bit bigger, perhaps. No. Anyway, if we go to my homework folder, let's open the first homework which you need to study into old homework, then 10:30. This is the first homework which you need to study. In this homework, you need to find factors of a number, also multiples and prime factorizations. Let's do one question from each. Factors of this number. Up. Now everybody, let's see that who can remember this. Heidi, do you remember what is factors of 54? Write them all on your papers, on your notebooks, whatever you have. Let's see that who remembers how to do this. Factors of 54. Write all the factors, all the factors. Yes, everything. The first one is always 1. The first factor is always 1. Is this class notebook? Please write them here. Not in the class notebook. Oh. This is class notebook, but backside. Okay then. Tamam. But I remember that song is not so good. There are some bad words in that song. But it's a really nice song. The rhythm is... Did you listen to that song? What? Yes, there's a person who wrote only 1, because I told the 1. A few of them are in here, but not ordered. Can be. What about 7? No, not 7. Okay. Can be good. I don't know. We will check. Until the mid, we must check. Yes, everybody, let's remember the idea. Let's remember the idea. 1, 2, 6, 9, 54. I think you forgot 27. Yes, that person. The person who writes only 1. One is going to be the first always. But remember that 1 times which number makes 54? 1 times 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is not 54. 1 times 54 makes 54. So 1 is the smallest, 54 is the biggest. Then after 1, can we divide 54 by 2? We check each number. Can we divide it by 2? 54 ends with 4, so we can divide it by 2. So 2 times which number makes 54? Or what is half of 54? Half of 50 is 25. Half of 4 is 2. 25 plus 2, 27. 25 plus 2. So after 2, we will check the next number. What is the next number? 3. Can we divide 54 by 3? To check that 5 plus 4 is? We can divide 9 by 3, so we can divide 54 by 3. So 3 will be other one. Then 3 times what makes 54? Let's find it. In 5, 1 times 3. In 24, 8 times 24, 0, 0. So 3 times 18 must be there. 3 times 18 must be there. Do you understand? Yes, do you understand? Yes. Now we must check the number 4. The number 4 we must check. So 4, can we do it? Look at that. 4 times 10, 40. After 40, 44, 48, 52, 56. So we cannot make 54 by 4. 52 or 56 we can do, but with 54 with 4, no. We cannot divide it. So 54 by 5, no. 54. If it was 55, yes, but it is not. Now 54 by 6. What is the rule of 6? If you can make it with 2 and with 3, that means you can make it with 6 also. So 6 times which number makes 54? 6 times? 9. 9. So after 6, we must check 7. 7 times 8? 56. No, we cannot make it. After 7, 8. 8 times? 8 times? 56 again. So after 8, we will come to the number 9 again. That means we finished checking. Whenever you reach to the same number, you finished checking. Okay? So these are all the factors of 54. Do you remember? Inshallah. I hope that you remember. Okay? This is the way of thinking. Then we must do some examples about multiple. For multiple, I can give you a question. I want you to write multiples of 7. Write there 10 numbers till 70. 7, 14, 21. Multiples. Multiple. Factor, multiple. These are the first things about exam. And these are very easy. Yes, is it perfect? Very good. Very good. We must check this side. Why it is that? There's something bad. It may not be working right now because I don't see the green light. Heidi, student, you did it on board. No, you don't do. You didn't write it on your notebook. It's not so important being on the board or not. It is not so important. But if I touch it once, why I don't see it there? There is not a green light. There is not a green light. Why it's like that? Yes. Woo-hoo. I realized something. The girls are working harder than the boys. Close the door, close the door. Close the door, close the door. We don't want anything bad in video, huh? You mustn't use... Yes, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 84, 91, 98. After 98, what is the number? 98, 105, 112.
Teacher, can you give another example?
Yes, I'll. So, what you need to do, you must open the homework, this homework, you must choose a question, and you must do it. So, what do we need now? Find prime factorization of this number, 160. Okay, it looks well. Do this. Prime factorization of 160. Yes, in the exam, nobody will show you what it is. You must remember in the exam. Nobody will give you a clue like this. Prime factorization. Prime factorization. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19, 17, 19. Okay.
Teacher.
Abo! Abe teacher be. Yes. What? Oh. I must be careful. I mustn't move under that. I must move somewhere here. So, or if I move, I must go like this. Huh? I must be very careful. Or I must keep something like this always. No, not that. This is not the place to write it. 160 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So we can use power method to write this part. So 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5. Thank you. Please down. I think you remember this. Let's choose the biggest number from here. Yes, do it for 720. Do it for 720. Do not play with your phones. A lot of two again. Could you change the color to green? Change the color to green. Green. You didn't do it. Green. Yes. What's that in Albanian? Gelber? Gelber. Something like gelberi. Gelberi. Gelba. Yes, what is your problem, Kochum? What is your problem? What is your problem? What is your problem? They may think that I'm anything. The sound will be there. The sound will be there. So the people who has been here, when they watched or if they watched the video, they may remember this moment and they may smile once again. Yes. 2 power 4. We must press 3 power 2. For these people, let's make an extra thing. Perhaps for Elisa, for Narin. Also for Edis, Beza. It can be helpful. Now everybody, this is the way I want you to do this. I want you to do this. But when you be older, when you be 10th or 11th grade, we will teach you a way which is perhaps faster. For 720, we know that it is 72 times 10. Do you? 72 times 10. For 72, how can you write it as product? 9 times? So, we must, now this is a factorization. We must find the smallest 4. For 9, for 8, 2 cube, for 10, 2 times 5. How many 3 will be there? 3 squared. 2 cube here, 2 here, 2 power 4 will be there, and 5 will be there. This is a way of thinking, but in exam, right now, you know this one. You don't know this. You don't know anything about this. Okay, forget this. It was a bit small extra thing for you. Now everybody, this was the first homework. We must go to the second homework. What to clean? Do you want to clean here? Do you want to clean here? Yes, I cleaned there. Now, everybody, this was the first homework. Now, the second homework to study. GCF and SEM. Greatest common factor and least common multiple. everybody, there is written only one of them, but I want you to find both answers. LCM and GCF for these numbers. Yes. Remember that 72 and 90, you write them. If you divide both, you sign it. If you don't sign it. Yes, the other one. Thirty-six. Be careful. Very good. Don't forget the signing part. Don't write them inside the parentheses. There is no parentheses around them. That's why I smiled for the first question. You remember that when I say your answer, I made a fun. These are very funny. You don't put parentheses around them. Is it 18? You must calculate it. 18. Do you know that I memorized your surname? Right now it is hard to remember your name. Because of that it's so interesting. Oh, actually you made it interesting by translating. Explain. Josh geçti. You must press a bit harder. Firstly, we start with 2. 72 with 2 makes 36. 90 with 2 makes 45. So, 2 divided both of them. Put the sign. Okay. Everybody, we must continue with 2 until we can't. 36 with 2, 18, but 45, no. 18 with 2, 9, but 45, no again. Now we can continue with 3, 9 and 45. 9 with 3, 3, 45 with 3, 15. Both of them changed, so we put the sign. 3 with 3, 1, 15 with 3, 5. Both of them changed, so we put the sign. Now we finish it with 5. Now to find greatest common factor, we multiply the numbers which we signed. Yes. 2 times 3 times 3. To find the greatest common factor, we multiply the numbers which we signed. It makes 18. Thank you. Remember that to find LCM of these numbers, to find least common multiple of these numbers, we must multiply everything on the right side. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. We must multiply all of them. Remember that I also told that if there is 2 and 5, make it first. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 9, 36 times 10, 360 is the least common multiple. 360 is the least common multiple of these two numbers. Okay? Today I will put this video to the YouTube, my channel. Okay. So your name over there. What? Yes, it is working right now. I hope that it's working. When I talk, there must be a green light. There must be a green light, but there is not. I hope that it records my sound. If it doesn't record my sound right now, what I do is for nothing. Yes, the sound comes from it, not face. That screen here. There is no face. There is no camera around. Yes. Everybody. The second homework is about greatest common factor, least common multiple. I think this is also an easy thing to do. Also, you can remember it from the notebook easily. So let's find the next homework. Next homework, addition and subtraction of integers. Let's do something about this. Very good. These are very easy. What? Where is that? Yes, I will do it. Everybody, now, please be silent right now. I must explain for one of your friends. I must do that. So, remember that in integers, I gave you 3 rules. Yes. That person must listen me. If that person doesn't listen me, she will not learn once again. Will you listen me or will you pay? Do you want to learn or do you want to pay? Okay. Now, about operations with integers, there are 3 rules which I gave you. First rule is to cancel, to remove the parentheses, to remove the parentheses. What is the rule? Plus, no problem, minus changes. First rule. Second rule, in addition or subtraction, after you cancelled parentheses. Aulona and Flora, please. Oh, sorry, I used your name. Now, after you cancelled parentheses, if the signs are same, plus or plus, minus or minus, signs are same. Add the numbers, put the same sign. Add, put, same. If the signs are different, right now there is no parentheses, there is no multiplication, division. You cancel all the things, you have just plus minus numbers, okay? For this case, if the signs are different, find difference, that's right, difference, and you must put big numbers sign. You must put big numbers sign. Put bigger sign. Now, when there is no parentheses, when there is no multiplication division. Now, for multiplication and division, if the signs are same, the result, plus if the signs are different, the result is minus. Right now, there is no multiplication or division, parentheses and plus minus. So firstly, we must cancel the parentheses. To cancel first parentheses, there is no problem in front of it. You cancel it directly. Let's put here an equal sign. Minus 17 comes out directly. Then, to cancel second parenthesis, we look for what is there in front of it. What is there before the second parenthesis? What's there? Plus makes. You will cancel it directly. Minus 19 will come out. Now, there is no parentheses. We must use these rules. Same, add, put same. Same sign, add numbers, put same sign. So, are they same? We must add the numbers. We mustn't play with the things over there. We mustn't play with them. We mustn't try to read them. The calculator will not help you in the exam. It helps you in physics exam, but in math exam, you are not allowed to use it. So, 17 and 19. 7 plus 9 makes 16. 7 plus 9. 7, 9, 16. We have 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1, 36. And we must put the same sign. If we talk in your language, if I talk in your language, starting that euro, board, euro, board, complete, server at the just board. Euro board, okay. Also in English, instead of board, we use debt. So 17 euro debt, 19 euro debt, completely we have 36 euro debt. So minus is debt, plus is the money which we have. Okay? You can think like that. So let's choose another question about this. And let's choose a question about subtraction of numbers. Yes, you can. Yes. No, later. Now, next question, everybody. Hi, Divakim. Come on. You can remember the rules. Or Heidi. She doesn't know. She must do this. I'm waiting for her to do it. Yes, exactly like that. No. Now everybody shout. Like and Heidi. No. What happened? Can you? Yes, everybody. I think you understood. No, not you. Before the first parenthesis, there is no problem. Minus 12 comes out directly. Tostum, look at here, listen me. Now, before the second parenthesis, there is a problem. Minus. Minus changes. Minus changes the next sign. Minus 5 must come out of parentheses as plus 5. So, 12 euro, that plus euro we have. So, completely, our account is 7 euro that. Start euro board. Okay? Then that euro board, pass euro 2, complete, start euro board. Let's choose another question for you from the next homework. Let's go to the homework folder, to the next homework. Let's choose a very long question, which has a lot of things. Here. Let's everybody try to solve this question. Throw the garbage, please. Not around of class. If I say please, could you take those things also? These undone, those two ones. Elisa, go to the board. On my desk, there is a pen. On my desk. Take the pen. Percy, for minus 10, no problem. Plus 18 makes plus 18. Minus changes minus 12 makes it plus 12. And minus changes plus 19 makes it minus 19. So we must group them 2 by 2. Minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. How did she do it? How did she group it, Maya? Thank you. Everybody, after this step, minus 10 plus 18 has different signs. So 18 minus 10 makes 8. 18 is plus, so it must be plus 8. She grouped these two also. Plus 12 minus 19, they have different signs. Difference between 19 and 12 is 7. 19 is minus, so it must be minus 7. At the end, it's very easy. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. After this person, not you, you see, you are boy. Now, the people who wants to go out, everybody can go. All of you can go. No, we didn't. The people who wants to go, they can go, no problem. Yes. Yes, we will continue. No. For me, no. So many. I don't know. Yes.
How many questions?
Too many. No. Not.
Oh,
Yes, everybody try this one. The people who are here, try this one. Sit down, please. The people who are here, I want them to sit down. Yes, you can go out. You can go out. But they will keep studying. Go. Go away, please. And close the door, please. Yes. Try this one. Hadi bakalım. Oh. Yes, of course. I don't need a break. If you need, you can go. Whenever you like. You can go out. But I want you to study as much as you can. I called Navigo. I won't wait for you. Let's see that if it's blue or not. You can change color if you like. No, it's good, very good. Yellow is very good. Minus 5 times minus 4 makes plus 20. Plus 20. Yes, very good. We keep minus 9 over there. Close the parentheses. Times between minus 6 times plus 2 makes minus. We will see. It can be minus 44, but this way of writing is not good. Find your mistake about solution writing. Yes. I don't know. We will see what happens next. I cannot see what we did. Yes. That's the way which I don't want to. Okay. Thank you. Sit down, please. Your mistake is here. You wrote plus 11 and minus 4 without parentheses. This means 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 makes 7. Is this minus or 10? Yes, yeah. You can sit down. I need to show something. Thank you. It's good. You solved it through. But not important. Now everybody, look at the board. Look at the board. Remember that for each multiplication or division, I wanted you to write the results inside the parentheses. Remember that. Because brackets, parentheses doesn't matter so much. I don't want you to do mistake. Sometimes there can be some other signs before them. There can be some other signs which affect them. If you don't write them with parentheses, you may do mistake. You may do. Okay? There is a small chance, but there is a chance. That's why make it one step more, but make it two. Write just one step more. It will take time, I know that, but do not do any mistake. After you wrote them with parentheses, firstly you must cancel the parentheses before the calculation. So, plus 20 comes out directly, and minus sign, we keep it there. Between them times, here minus 12 comes out and plus 8 stays there. So, inside of each parenthesis, we have plus minus numbers and we must calculate them. 20 minus 9 makes 11 and plus 11 times minus 12 plus 8 makes minus 4. How you wrote is very important, okay? Do you understand now? Between them, there must be time. The way you wrote, it looks like another minus. It looks like. So, minus times plus, they have different signs. It will be minus. 4 times 11 will be 44. Let's choose another question from another homework, from the last homework. This one is a lot complex. Look like. Let's clean them. Let's everybody, try this one. Let's see what happens. This is going to be the last question which we are going to solve. Okay. Let's try to understand the steps which we are going to do. Okay? Let's read this question. 10 minus the parentheses inside. This parentheses is where here. That means I need to find inside of these brackets a number. I need firstly listen. You are trying to write. Do not put two things at the same time. Now listen, you can write later. Understand the question. This parenthesis is starting here and finishing here. Now, it completes the question. Now, that means I need to find a number in here. I must do the calculation. I need to find a number in here. And I must subtract it from 10. You understand? Now, inside of here, I must calculate. Let's continue to read. This is inside of here. What I have here? 3 times 7 minus 3. Inside of smaller parentheses, I have another calculation. 7 minus 3. So, that means firstly, I need to make 7 minus 3. Then I need to multiply it with 3. Then after that, minus 2 times 2 minus 4. So inside of smaller one, we have another calculation and divided by 4 again. So remember the order of operations. That's must. Firstly, bracket. Inside of bigger, we have smaller one. Firstly, we must make a calculation inside of smaller bracket. You understand? So 7 minus 3 will be 4. 2 minus 4 will be minus 2 inside the parentheses. 2 minus 4 plus 2 minus 4. 2 has no sign, that means plus. So plus 2, we have 4 euro that completely 2 euro that. Okay? separate a step which includes only these numbers, but I won't write that step. After this step, and minus, we must do the same again. Look at that. We calculated inside the smaller parentheses. We must look for the next kind of calculation. We have here times, minus, times, and division. So, firstly, add minus, division and multiplication. Because this is bracket, another one. Now, division or multiplication. Here we have a multiplication, and there is nothing around it. So I can make that multiplication. 3 times 4. What is that? 12. Okay? Minus, look at that. 2 times minus 2 divided by 4. So they are next to each other. Remember that division and multiplication. If they are next to each other, we must do it from left to